I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to withdraw money on Optus, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Optus app. Launch the Optus app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account to access all features. Step 2. Navigate to Wallets. Once you're logged in, find the Wallet option in the main menu. This is where you can manage your funds. Step 3. Select Withdraw Funds. In the Wallet section, look for the Withdraw Funds button. Tap on it to proceed with the withdrawal process. Step 4. Choose Withdrawal Method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Confirm and submit. Review your withdrawal details and confirm the transaction. Make sure to double-check the amount and method before submitting. Sometimes, the app may take a few minutes to process the withdrawal, so don't panic if it doesn't happen instantly. I hope this helps you navigate the process easily. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.